Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today, we focus on the secret to perfect plain fried rice, achieving crispy, separate grains with minimal ingredients. Fried rice is a global comfort food champion. It's what we ask for when we need satisfying flavor and texture that instantly brings warmth. Too often, people try to pack fried rice with every vegetable and protein, forgetting that the real star should be the rice itself. That quickly turns into a complicated, sometimes soggy, mess. This is where plain fried rice steps in. Plain fried rice is fast, incredibly easy, and deeply satisfying because it focuses on perfecting the texture of the rice and using simple, clean flavors. It's the foundation. Master this basic technique, and you unlock the ability to make every other fried rice dish, from chicken to shrimp, flawlessly. We aren't making dinner complicated. We are showing you how to achieve crispy, separate grains with minimal effort. This process requires only a few ingredients and a little patience before you start cooking. The secret ingredient: why your rice needs to chill out. The most significant barrier between you and amazing fried rice isn't a special sauce or a fancy technique. It's the temperature and moisture within your cooked rice. Using fresh rice straight from the cooker guarantees a sticky, mushy result every time. The rice will steam instead of fry, turning your dinner into glue. The key to non-mushy fried rice is simple. Refrigerate your cooked rice for at least 12 hours. This process drastically reduces the moisture content. The cooling time allows the surface starches to dry out and harden, which means when the rice hits the violently hot pan, the grains stay separate and start to crisp up. Think of it like drying out bread slices to make croutons. Reducing moisture makes the product crunchy, not chewy. Day-old rice is best, the science of starch. When rice cooks, the starch absorbs a tremendous amount of water. Fresh, warm rice still holds all that water internally. If you toss that high-moisture rice directly into hot oil, the water rapidly turns to steam and surrounds the grains. That steam prevents the grains from frying and makes everything sticky. Refrigerating the rice does two helpful things. First, it allows the water to evaporate from the surface of the grains. Second, it causes the internal starches to firm up. When you finally add that firm, dry day-old rice to the pan, the grains can achieve separation and acquire that desirable fried texture. For the best foundation, stick to a medium grain or long grain rice, such as jasmine. They hold their shape and texture well under high heat. Simple shopping list: what you really need. The beauty of this foundational dish lies in its minimalism. We are focusing on flavor and texture developed through technique, not volume of ingredients. Don't worry about chopping onions or thawing peas yet. Here is the essential list for truly plain fried rice. Cooked cold rice, about 3 cups, preferably jasmine or short grain. High smoke point oil, 2 tablespoons. Canola, vegetable or grapeseed work well. Salt, to taste. Soy sauce, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Use light or regular sodium. 1 egg, optional, but often included even in basic recipes for texture and protein. We keep the list short because every ingredient needs to shine. Since there aren't many components, make sure the soy sauce you use tastes great. Walk this way: easy steps to cook perfect plain fried rice. Fried rice is a speed-based dish. The moment things slow down, the temperature drops, and the dish starts to steam. The secret to an authentic flavor, often called wok hei, the smoky breath of the wok, is achieving and maintaining extremely high heat throughout the cooking process. Cooking plain fried rice should take less than 5 minutes once the pan is hot. The heat is on, getting your pan ready. High heat is non-negotiable. If you have a wok, use it. Its sloped sides are ideal for tossing. A large, heavy-bottomed skillet works perfectly well too. First, place your pan over the highest heat setting you have. Let it sit there until it's smoking slightly, maybe for 2 minutes. This crucial step prevents sticking later. Once the pan is screaming hot, add the high smoke point oil. Swirl the oil around the edges and let it heat up until it shimmers, typically about 30 seconds. This ensures the oil is ready to fry, not just warm the rice. The toss and stir, mixing without making glue. Once the oil is hot, you move fast. Add the cold rice directly to the center of the pan. Immediately use your spatula or large wooden spoon to break up the clumps. Those clumps of rice will not break down if you wait even 30 seconds. You must break up the rice quickly and stir the grains constantly. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes, focusing on separating every grain. The rice should be hopping and lightly sizzling in the oil. You should hear it frying. Optional egg step. If you are adding the egg, quickly push the rice to one side of the wok, creating a clear space. Add a tiny splash more oil to the empty space. Pour in the whisked egg and quickly scramble it. Once the egg is almost set, about 15 to 20 seconds, immediately mix it into the hot rice. Distribute the egg evenly, creating small, cooked yellow bits throughout the dish. Once your rice is ready, you'll see how technique transforms a simple dish. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.